Defender 130. That's the super long one, right?
Correct. Look at the photos, though. It's full front end PPF. Painted the calipers blue. I think it looks hot. It's got the towing package. I love that. White leather.
Interesting.
I love that. Love, love, love.
I mean, it looks cool. It was the toe? Did he paint the toe?
Yes. Look.
The tow hook as well? Okay. All right.
Love it.
And he painted the little emblem here.
He did. The emblems.
Interessante.
It is fully ceramic coated, full front end PPF, 20,000 and change mileage on it. Service is done private party, but he does have records.
So it's got the 22s, it's got the tow pack.
It has tow package. He's getting 60 from up the street.
Is he local?
He is.
What's he looking at?
The Matt Black S580.
It seems to be pretty decently optioned, but not with things that AccuTrade likes. All right, my concern is that...
It's got driver assist package standard. It does not have heads-up display.
It has driver assist? Then why is it asking me if it has adaptive cruise control?
It has the lane keep assist. Their version of driver assist is lane keep assist, frontal collision prevention, active brake assist.
So it doesn't have adaptive cruise? And it doesn't have a heads-up display?
It does not have heads-up display. But it has white leather.
Original tires?
Yes.
Yeah, so those are going to be...
But look at the photo. The tires look meaty still.
They might be, but I mean, 20,500 miles on original tires, I just don't see a way where we don't have to replace those. Man, so on the one hand...
Every Defender we've taken on trade, we sell within a week to 10 days.
My concern is that there's 93 of them in the country. Median price is $63,800. So 60 sounds like a lot.
Probably because they can certify it, correct?
No, I don't think that has anything to do with it. If I had to guess, I bet you they're over allowing. I just think that with a lot of dealers, that's the normal thing to do, right? If they know that people are sensitive to trade values, they're just going to over allow right off the rip, because with original tires and assuming that it needs nothing at all, you take it in for 60, you probably have to change the tires, you got to detail it, do an oil change. Before you know it, you're into it. I mean, 22-inch wheel tires, you know how expensive that is going to be?
Probably $2,000.
At least. At least. You're already going to own the car for 62, 63 at that point. That's what the median price is. Monthly depreciation is about $1,000 a month, which is not, it's not like outrageous, but it's not nothing.
57.4 is the number?
I think that we can go a little bit above that, but just not much. 58,625, okay? Because I do think that it's good looking, it's decently well optioned. I wouldn't say that it's like rare. Is he looking to purchase or lease?
Lease.
Okay. I would venture to guess that if he were to ask them if he could get the 60K just selling it to them, they're probably going to say no.